Hello, good morning friends. Welcome back my channel. I Pawan Vani. Today we see the new topic construction procedure of WBM road. So, what is the WBM full form? WBM means water bound macadam road. Now see its definition. The pavement base course made of crush or broken aggregates mechanically interlocked by rolling and voids filled by screening and binding material with the assistance of water. This is the cross section of WBM road. Friends, see this. The uppermost part is pavement surface and it is made up of bitumen. The road surface is provided a small curve. It's called as a camber. This curve is provided for drain off of rainwater. Below that, it's thin blinding layer. Below that, it's a layer of stone screening and it's made up of a aggregate. Also below that, a foundation or a base course. It's made up of a aggregate or boulders. Below that, subbase consists of a coarse sand. Subbase consists of coarse sand means it's prepared by the sand. Shoulder are also provided of a road and brick edging. This is brick edging also provided for the side of a road. Now next, procedure step. In that procedure step, there are 5 points. In that first point, preparation of subgrade, preparation of base course. Third one is intermediate layer. Fourth one is a wearing surface, and fifth one is a shoulder. Now we see this procedure step by step. In that first, preparation of subgrade. Now in this preparation of subgrade of WBM has to be prepared carefully, as any failure of the subgrade affect the upper layer, except where the subgrade is formed by a rock cutting. A trench is excavated to the specified line and grade. Weak spots are correct and the surface is rolled by the road roller of 8 to 10 ton weight. Water is sprinkled on the surface before rolling. The top of subgrade is finished to the required camber and grade. On clay subgrade, a layer of murum, gravel, etc. is spread to a thickness of 10 to 15 cm and it's rolled properly. Next step is preparation of base course. This base course is also known as a foundation course or soling. It is formed by a boulder, rubble or overburn brick. The thickness of the layer may range from 15 cm up to 25 cm and its width is 60 cm, more than layer above with 30 cm projection on either side. Material for this layer is hand package and it's rolled till a uniform surface is obtained and the material does not show a moment under the roller. Next step is intermediate layer. If the total thickness necessitates an intermediate layer is provided between the wear surface and rolling and soling. The layer consists of oversized aggregate. The size of aggregate 10 cm up to 15 cm. The coarse aggregate is spread between the wooden templates to a loose thickness of 15 cm up to 20 cm. It is then first dry roll. till the surface acquire a smooth surface and it is then rolled after watering. Rolling is continued till the surface conform to the specified grade and the camber. Next step, last one step is wearing surface. This layer lay in one or two layer. The thickness of loose material in each layer is restricted to 10 cm. The measured quantity of coarse aggregate is spread over specified length of rod between two templates. Dry mechanical interlocking. The rolling is continued till the layer is partially compacted. On the top of this, a layer of bandage comparison stone screening of 12 mm size is spread so that all the voids in the coarse aggregate layer are filled. Next one is shoulder. Shoulder mostly prepared for a side of road surface. Now, precaution in rolling WBM surface means water-bound macadam surface. The following precautions are taken while rolling a WBM surface. In that first, rolling of WBM surface should be done by a roller of 8 to 10 ton weight. Next one, rolling should be started from edge and continue toward the crown. Next one, there should be an overlap between successive rolling strips. Next one, the length of each rolling should be around 200 meter. The roller should not be reserved at one and the same place. Water should be sprinkled and not poured by bucket while the rolling. Next one, the rolling should be done for about 80 pass until refuse. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.